When Fayetteville homeowners want fast, dramatic improvements to their property's appearance, replacing the entry door is often the first upgrade they consider, and for good reason. Your entry door is one of the most visible features of your home. It's the focal point guests see as they approach, and it plays a major role in creating that all-important first impression. Whether you're preparing to sell, refreshing an aging exterior, or simply ready for a stylish change, a new entry door can transform your home's curb appeal instantly. A fresh look without a full remodel. Many exterior upgrades take time, major planning, and a significant budget. Entry doors, however, offer a beautiful balance of simplicity and impact. Homeowners in Fayetteville appreciate that a new door can dramatically elevate the look of their home without requiring a full exterior renovation. Just switching out an older, faded, or outdated door for a modern style immediately gives your home a refreshed personality. Sleek fiberglass doors, warm natural wood designs, and bold steel entry options allow homeowners to express their style, whether it's classic Southern charm or a clean, contemporary look. Color that makes a statement. One of the biggest curb appeal benefits comes from color. A vibrant, well-chosen entry door color can instantly draw the eye and give a home more character. Fayetteville homeowners often choose trendy hues like deep navy blue, rich forest green, or even bright pops of red or yellow to create a stunning centerpiece for their exterior. Modern entry doors are built to hold their color longer, resist fading from the North Carolina sun, and withstand changing weather conditions. This means your home keeps that freshly updated look far longer than paint alone could achieve. Materials built for style and strength. Entry doors today combine beauty with performance, giving homeowners the best of both worlds. Materials such as fiberglass, steel, and premium wood are engineered to hold up against Fayetteville's humidity, heat, and seasonal storms. Homeowners appreciate that they can choose a stylish look without sacrificing durability or security. Fiberglass doors are popular for their versatility. They mimic the appearance of wood without the maintenance and offer excellent energy efficiency. Steel entry doors provide unmatched security and strength while still offering attractive design options. Wood doors remain a timeless choice, bringing warmth and natural elegance to any home exterior. No matter the material, modern entry doors offer enhanced weather resistance, better insulation, and longer-lasting finishes that keep your home looking great year after year. A smart investment with high return. Choosing a new entry door isn't just about looks, it's also one of the highest value upgrades a homeowner can make. A well-designed exterior greatly influences your home's perceived value. Realtors consistently note that Fayetteville homes with updated entry doors appear more polished and better maintained, attracting potential buyers and increasing market appeal. Even if you aren't planning to sell soon, boosting curb appeal helps you love your home more every day. It's a cost-effective investment that improves your property visually and functionally. Instant confidence and security beyond appearance. Homeowners appreciate the peace of mind that comes with newer, more secure entry doors. Enhanced locks, reinforced frames, and stronger materials add an extra layer of protection for your family. When your home looks inviting and is built to withstand the elements, you naturally feel more confident in its strength and safety. The fastest way to refresh your home's exterior with so many stylish options and long-lasting benefits, it's easy to see why Fayetteville homeowners choose entry doors as a quick, effective way to boost curb appeal. The transformation is immediate, the upgrade is affordable, and the results are stunning. Whether you want to stand out in the neighborhood or simply enjoy a more beautiful home every time you pull into the driveway, a new entry door is one of the smartest improvements you can make.